This year, I am testing two models, the Redmi Note 15 Pro 5G and the Redmi Note 15 Pro Plus 5G. The Pro model runs on MediaTek Dimensity 7400 Ultra with 8 GB of RAM. The Pro Plus uses Snapdragon 7S Gen 4 with 12 GB of RAM. In daily use, both are fast enough, but the Pro Plus clearly feels snappier, especially in system animations and app launches. Display design is one of the key differences. The Pro Plus has a subtly curved screen, while the standard Pro goes fully flat. Flat displays are easier to protect, cheaper to repair, and more practical for most users. Battery life is a strong point of the entire series. Large capacities, fast wired charging, and support for reverse charging via USB-C. Durability has also been improved. This does not mean the phones are indestructible, but everyday accidents are less likely to become a disaster. Audio is loud and clear, though bass is limited, which is expected in this class. The Pro Plus also supports eSIM, which is a nice bonus for frequent travelers. Cameras will be evaluated later once the final software is available. After a few days of use, my takeaway is simple. For most people, the Redmi Note 15 Pro 5G makes the most sense. The Pro Plus is there for those who want a bit more performance and extra features. Follow me for more impressions and insights from this year's news. See you soon.